This video is sponsored by Exter. More on them in a little bit.
What's going on, guys? We are here at Los Angeles International Airport where we are getting ready to head back home to Florida. We are taking a flight from LAX to Orlando International Airport, and when we land tomorrow, we are going to be reviewing the Mears Connect service to take us from MCO over to our resort hotel at Walt Disney World, where I have some family staying for the weekend. So, perfect opportunity to review this service for you guys. I don't know when I would ever get another opportunity to review this service for you guys, so I'm super excited to check it out now. Let's go ahead and check in and go through security, and I'm 99% sure the next time I see you guys, it's gonna be in Orlando.
6 hours later.
And this carpet means we're back in Orlando, bright and early in the morning. Take a look at that. It's been a minute since I've been to Orlando International. Typically, Tampa is my home airport. Still feels good to be back though. For a lot of folks, this is their first ride of the trip when they get here, hopping on the trams. And I missed it. We need to follow signs to ground transportation. While MCO may not be my home airport, it's definitely my favorite. Now, no matter what terminal you come out of, you're always going to look for the signs that say escalator to ground transportation, to rental cars, rideshare, taxis, parking, and if you're looking for the Brightline train, just follow the signs for the train. This right here is the sign that we're looking for, Mears Shuttles. We're gonna head on down this way and follow the signs that say Mears Connect, Disney Area Hotels Connection. Now, unfortunately, I was having a hard time booking this in advance. It was giving me an error code online. So when you get down here, you can see the pricing, $16 for adults, $13 for kids. And if you don't have a reservation, no problem. You can scan the QR code or go to a self-service kiosk. I think we're gonna do the self-service kiosk. Now, I would also like to say that it is currently 6:30 in the morning and it is empty. So let's go ahead and give this a try, shall we? Okay, standard, yeah, reserve now. Okay, so just from airport, drop off location, we are going to the All-Star Sports, $17.60 for one adult. We're not checking in any bags or anything. First name, and now I pay. Okay, so at the end here, it gives us our confirmation number. Please proceed to check in once you have your QR code email. So it's gonna send us an email, or I could just use that number over here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to take a quick second to thank the fantastic sponsor of today's video, Exter. Exter is the producer of the most efficient smart wallet in the world. I promise you guys, this is going to be the last wallet you will ever buy. This aluminum smart wallet that I have right here is so much thinner and so much easier to use than my old bulky bifold. I've been using this Exter wallet for about a month now, and I say it's high time I throw this old bulky wallet into the trash where it belongs. This aluminum wallet is very slim, which makes it perfect for theme parks. I love shopping at theme parks, and when I'm at the register, I always got to pull out my annual pass to make sure I get that sweet discount. Now with the quick card release feature on this Exter wallet, it makes paying for my items a breeze. Exter wallets can also be paired with Exter's tracker card, a solar powered accessory that can help you keep track of your wallet. Pair this accessory with the Chipolo app available on iOS and Android, and you can use it to track your wallet just about anywhere. You can even use the Chipolo app to ring your wallet straight from your smartphone. The tracker card is solar powered, and just 2 hours in the sun will give it 3 months of battery life. If aluminum isn't quite your thing, then Exter also offers the Parliament Classic wallet, a slightly thicker version of the aluminum wallet that's made of environmentally certified premium leather. The Parliament wallet is a more classic design that still offers the Exter quick card access and still has a slot for the solar powered tracker. Both the aluminum and the Parliament wallets also come with RFID protection, which is really great. You guys already know I'm very particular with the products I endorse on this channel, but I've been using these Exter wallets for the last almost 2 years, so you know that they have the Theme Park Express guarantee. If you guys are looking to pick up an Exter wallet for yourselves, make sure you click the link down in the description below to head on over to their website where they're actually running an anniversary sale. Be sure to use code TPX5 at checkout to get up to 25% off your entire purchase. Thank you so much to Exter Wallets for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back into the action.
All right, check-in was nice and easy. They're directing me right to my bus. Hello, good morning.
Which restaurant are you going, sir?
All-Star Sports.
Go ahead.
Thank you. No luggage. Aw, take a look at that. That's cute. Reserved. Don't sit here. And let us go. Wait, this used to be a Disney Cruise Line bus. Take a look at that. Oh, that's so cute. I have the whole bus to myself. I am the king of this bus. Now, currently, there is only one bus here at the station. Now, I'm not sure how much they're going to actually fill up the bus before we actually leave. It makes complete and total sense if we're the only bus here, but hopefully it's not super long. Let's go ahead and move back further on the bus since it's so empty. I'm not disturbing anybody. It does look like there is a restroom back here as well that you can use in case of an emergency. Would I recommend using this restroom? Absolutely not. I have no idea how clean it is. I'm not going to bother with it, but it is here in case you or a family member has that emergency. Now, I should also get into some more details about this service. So what I'm taking is Mears Connect. Now, years ago, Disney used to offer free transportation from MCO Airport over to their resorts. Now, unfortunately, that has since gone away for a third-party paid option. So all the Magical Express buses that they used to have been transformed into Mears Connect. So that is what we're taking today, is the paid third-party option. One thing I would also like to note is that when you get on this bus, it's not going to be a bus that is going just to your hotel. You're going to be grouped in with a lot of people possibly, and everybody's going to be going to a different resort. So as the day progresses, more buses are going to show up and they're going to get more and more full, and more people are going to be going to different resorts. They're going to group you guys accordingly so that way you're not having to stop at literally every resort. So just bear that in mind. Your resort may be the first on the list or it may be the last on the list. You may be on the bus for a while, so I do recommend going to the bathroom or doing what you need to do before getting on the bus. Current time is 6:56 in the morning. Another bus has literally just pulled up and we are backing away. It is me and two other passengers. Take a look at that. Luck was on my side. We are pulling into my resort first.
Okay, for this, good morning. One more time, welcome to Orlando. Welcome to Walt Disney World Resort. And now I welcome my passenger to the All-Star Sports. All-Star Sports.
And ladies and gentlemen, I have made it to my resort. I have checked in and my room is ready, thank goodness. So we're gonna go head on down this way, grab some breakfast, and make our way over to the room. Morning. All right, Mickey Waffles, Mickey Waffles. Where can I get Mickey Waffles? I can get Mickey Waffles over here and Mickey Waffles over there. And with that, I am finally in my room. I hate laying down. All my fat in my face just goes up. Makes me look 10 times fatter than I really am. But anyways, we are in the room, 7:45 in the morning. Never mind. Yeah, it is 7:45 in the morning. I am so tired. I am so tired, but that was a very successful run of the Mears Connect transportation system from Orlando International Airport to my Walt Disney World Resort Hotel. Keep in mind, it is a Thursday morning, very early in the morning, so you saw no crowds in this video. There was absolutely zero traffic getting here, so this was about as seamless and as smooth of a process as anybody could have ever wished for. So overall, no complaints. Just bear in mind that your experience is probably going to differ from mine. If you show up a little bit later in the day, there's going to be a lot more people. You're probably going to stop at more resorts than I did. We didn't stop at any resorts other than mine. But anyways, I got my breakfast now. I am in the room. I cannot wait to shower. I cannot wait to lay down. I just can't wait to relax. But thank you all so much for watching today's video. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys are coming down to Walt Disney World for a vacation, you're flying into MCO, I highly recommend the Mears Connect service. Even though it's not free like it used to be with Magical Express, it's still a good service and it got us here lickety split. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the system. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. But with that, I'm going to go to bed. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.